everyone, it's Fiona and I'm back with another Freebie Friday. So this is the collage sheet for this week. It's just a mishmash of some ephemera that I had. And what I decided to do was to create a pocket in my journal that I've been working on in the Junk Journal Project video series here on YouTube. So I just basically made a pocket and collaged it. So it's a pretty quick video this time, a quick project. But as always, you can do whatever you like with your printables. For those of you who are not in my Facebook group, I will link it below. Every Friday I have a free printable which you can download in the group. And I usually film a video and make a little project with it. So I'm just cutting everything out. I've got my little clock there that I've used a couple of times. And you can see I've got my little pink butterfly there again because I really love it. I didn't end up using all of the elements. I left a couple out. So I'm using the largest piece of ephemera there for the pocket. I think it's a postcard. I'm not really sure. May not be. But you'll see me having trouble with my glue. They seem to be all blocked up tonight, which is actually quite unusual for those little pin tip bottles, because they haven't done that before. But of course, when I was filming, I had trouble getting the glue out. And then so I tried my little glue roller, and that froze up on me as well, but eventually I do get some glue to work. I should have cut this out, I'm sorry, but I'm filming fairly late at night and haven't really had time to edit the video. So I just thought I'd try and unclog that bottle, but it didn't work. But then I decided to use a different glue. Just gluing down my pocket. And the distress ink that I'm using is called Rusty Hinge by Tim Holtz. And this is a new one for me, so it's my new favourite colour. I really like that sort of rusty look that it gives. And I've punched holes in this piece of ephemera to make it look a bit more authentic. So just gluing them down onto my pocket now. I thought this little photo looked nice on an angle. And then I decided to add some buttons. So I'm using a glue called Dimensional Magic it's a Mod Podge brand, and it's a little bit like Glossy Accents. So it is dimensional, but it's a very strong glue. So I decided to use that for the buttons. And then I'm cutting out my butterfly. And I decided to glue my butterfly just down onto the page. And that was my page finished. So that's the Freebie Friday project for this week. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.